Everyone, dear friends, hope you are fine, good and well. Today we are going to review another coin of the Japan, silver and gold. Both color are here. You can see in front of your screen. It's very beautiful, different and shiny and big in size because it's a huge 500 yen, 500 Japanese yen, and the country is Japan, and emperor is Heisei emperor, and the date is 2002 2019 in Japanese calendar. If we see the date, that is 12 to 31. Let me zoom so you can see the design is very beautiful and different, and here the dots is giving very beautiful luxury looks, and the golden color of the coin is also giving very luxury and different look to the coin. And inside circle is silver, and the numeric value is also in silver color, and in zero that is also readed here. If you can see the sound, read it from inside the circle. So let's go and have a look, review and on the design of the coin. Large numerical value in center with the latent images in zeros. Here in zeros, flanked by Tachibana oranges, citrus reticulata tachibana, bamboo on top. Here bamboo on top and date below. If we translate the this 500 yen and the date, year of 19, and the Heisei 19 or 20 also, the both here engraved here, 500 yen here, and the year of Heisei engraved here. If we do the translation of this script that is in Japanese language. Okay, let's talk about the Tachibana oranges. A little bit information of the Tachibana orange is variety of Mandarin orange, a citrus fruit that grow wild in the forests of Japan, or referred in the poetry of the early Japanese and Ryukyu Island kingdoms. This fruit grow old in forests of Japan. That is shape. Here you can see a different orange Tachibana oranges shape of 0 and 0. So this is very different and very informative logo engraved on the coin. I hope you guys like this informative information and review of the coin. If you love to collect the coins like me, so this is the front side of the coin, silver and gold. So let's go and have a look on the other side of the coin. What we gonna see here, you can see it's also very beautiful, very cool from this side also. Silver color again, and gold with dots dotted from outside ring or border. So it's gives very luxury look, you can see. So if we talk about the flowers or plants, Paluwania plant highlighted authority above. Here you can see authority, the state of Japan, and value below 500 yen. Here from side also read it, these parts read it. Let me zoom. Here you can see the line work, it's read it. This one, this is read it, and from above this and this is read it. So this is very different in style and very beautiful and cool design of the Japan coin. So if we talk about the translations of these scripts, state of Japan 500 yen, just simple value and the authority. Just two things are engraved and mentioned in these coins. And if we talk about the plant, so Paulownia is genus of 17 special species of hardwood trees in the family of Paulowniaceae. The order Lamiales, the genus and family are native to East Asia. This plant used for the handicrafts, for toys and for the musical instruments, and this is the world's most valuable and hardwood tree of this plant. So this is the information of this plant. And now if we talk about the Heisei era, Heisei era was a period in Japanese history spanning from January 8, 1989 to April 30, 2019. It began with the Akansian Emperor of Akito to the throne and ended his abdication, marking significant period of 30 years. The name Heisei is interpreted as achieving for peace establishment. So this is the 125th emperor throne, Heisei era. So this is the information about the Heisei era and all things that are engraved on this beautiful coin that we discussed. So the both parts we review, front and back. Now let's go and have a look from the center, the side of the coin, from the middle part of the coin. What we gonna see, it's very beautiful. Read it, if you can see here. Different, a really different style. Read it. Producing the sound of read it. And let me zoom, if you can see. Very beautiful. Read it. From middle side of the coin, from the center of the coin. This part is also part of the most beautiful designs, if it's read or simple, but sometimes we forget to see and check this side of the coin, the middle and the center side of the coin. So I hope you guys like this coin like me. This is very beautiful and the very luxury looks of the coin, impressive coin of the Japan. If you have same coin in your collection, then don't forget to tell me in the comment box. And if you like this coin, then also don't forget to tell me in the comment box. This video is especially for the coin lovers who love to collect the coins like me. For now, take care. We will catch you in next video. Take care and bye.